Gain the ability to fly, but you'll sneeze uncontrollably every time you're in the air. Become a world-renowned chef, but you can only cook with ingredients you dislike. Have the ability to read minds, but the first person you see when you click share and more will lose all his memories of you. Have the power to heal any injury or illness, but you'll feel the pain of the person you're healing. Be able to speak any language fluently, but you'll forget one word from your native language each day. Be able to control the weather, but you'll always be the last person to experience the changes. Gain the power of invisibility, but you'll become visible when